Welcome to the EdbMails Google Workspace to Google Workspace migration, a step-by-step guide. Planning to migrate from one Google Workspace organization to another? EdbMails simplifies the entire migration process with a secure, reliable, and efficient solution. With EdbMails, you can migrate emails, labels, contacts, calendars, tasks, and attachments directly between Google Workspace tenants while preserving the original mailbox structure and ensuring data integrity throughout the migration. The software offers features such as automatic mailbox mapping, incremental migration to prevent duplicate items, concurrent mailbox migration, and advanced filtering options, giving you complete control over what you migrate. Administrators can connect to both the source and destination Google Workspace organizations with global admin accounts, eliminating the need to collect individual user credentials. Whether you're migrating a few mailboxes or an entire organization due to a domain change, a business merger, or tenant consolidation, EdbMails helps you complete the migration efficiently without disrupting users. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of migrating Google Workspace to Google Workspace using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Expand and select Google Workspace Migration. Select Google Workspace to Google Workspace Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Enter the admin email address, then click the Browse button. Select the JSON file you downloaded from the Google Cloud Console. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source G Suite server. Click Next to continue. Enter the target admin email address, then click the Browse button. Select the JSON file you downloaded from the Google Cloud Console. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Google Workspace to Google Workspace migration, visit edbmails.com today.